seguridad.
We are here at Hollywood Studios to have fun with the kids. We're gonna show you how you can have fun just going in the places for kids.
So we're gonna go into kids, toddlers, infants, so let's have fun at Hollywood Studios with the little ones.
When you arrive to the park, at the right side, you will find this place that is like a gas station where you can rent the stroller for a day for 31 bucks the double and the single one for $15. You also can rent wheelchairs and I think it's the mechanic car, right?
Yes. Hi.
We are here to see the Beauty and the Beast show. If you want to come, you can come at 11, 1, 2, 4, and 5 p.m.
So we just bought this hat to young Luca. Now he doesn't want it, so Daddy is trying to use it.
So this part was usually for Lightning McQueen, but now Disney removed it, so we were not able to enjoy it. At the center of the park is Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, a smooth, trackless ride full of colors, classic characters, and surprises. It has no height requirement, making it perfect for the whole family. In this area, you can find always characters that you can take pictures. For example, today we take picture with Pluto. And also you can go to the Disney Junior Dance Party. It's a really good place for family and obviously for your little one. Who want to see Pluto? Yes. We want? Yes. Before it closes on June 7, 2025, you have to visit Muppet Vision 3D. This show with the hilarious Muppets features bright colors and funny scenes. Thought it might have some loud sounds that could startle the youngest guest.
So we just arrived to my favorite part of Hollywood Studios, which is
Toy Story Land. Magic, magic, magic.
everything is perfect. And right there you have Buzz Lightyear. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there.
In the Toy Story Land section, you'll find the Toy Story Mania, an interactive 4D ride full of color and fun, with no height requirement, so even the little ones Every can detail enjoy the in Toy visual Story Land, from its colors to everything that we have to do, it's amazing and really, really beautiful. I promise you'll have a fun time and you will enjoy it.
In front of Buzz Lightyear, you can find the restrooms at Toy Story Land.
Here you will find Woody's Lunchbox, which is a place in front of the attractions where you can have grilled sandwiches, grown-up drinks, ice cream floats, desserts, and much more. Food looks really nice and it's fast. So we are here taking a look at the details from Disney, and who thinks about putting some balls on the umbrellas and also all those lights hanging.
Just perfect.
Way perfect.
So we are here looking at the toys, and we're gonna put a price to the Buzz Lightyear. How much do you think it is?
I think it's about $60.
I think it's about 100. But let's see. $35. So we lost both of us.
Ah. And there they are, Woody and Jessie.
So one of the kids just went down, taking a nap. Got look on the phone. We will take it out the next couple minutes because we're going to eat. Right, Mom?
Yes.
Since yesterday we did a reservation here on Roundup Rodeo Barbecue. Here you will have fun, so just enjoy this video with us.
Come on.
All right, now we are rounding up the box set of, brace yourselves for this one, Starbucks, Jennifer Starbucks. Right behind you. You realize how famous you are? You own Starbucks? Yeah. Free coffee for everybody!
Dale, entra.
No, tata, no hace ya cuca.
No se hace ya en Cuca, ok. Vamos.
No hace ya cuca.
Vete. Dame, papi. Dame el phone. Mira, dale, mamá.
Where is it? I know I left it around here somewhere. Mom! Have you seen my cowboy belt buckle? I can't find it. Never mind. Yeehaw! It's rodeo time.
Well done, cowboys.
Eso, Gianluca.
Vente, Luca, mira, está aquí. Luca. Pues bebe tú con papá, ven. Cheese. Se gringa.
So hi, we're here out. So we're here out of the rodeo restaurant, and it was really good. The food was amazing. You just pay for adults, child are included, and
It was like 120 about for both adults with tip included, so it was really good.
And also it includes the dessert. Another interesting ride for kids is the one with the aliens. It has gentle movement, full lights, and music. The minimum height is 32 inches, so many small children like Gianmarco can ride.
Cheese. Mama. Mama. Arrive into Star Wars Galaxy area. So have you ever watched Star Wars?
No, haven't had the pleasure.
Me neither. So maybe one time. I'm more a Harry Potter guy.
Affirmative. Good work. That's valuable intel. We'll call it in. Yep. Good. And then
So let's play the game again. How much do you think this costs?
50.
I'm guessing 80. And the price is $30. Wow. I can't believe it.
Me neither.
Here you want to purchase even the Sprite and the Coke because of how beautiful they are.
let's go.
So even if you haven't seen Star Wars, this area in the Hollywood Studio is just perfect. Out.
Oh, my ears fell.
Right, you like it?
I love it. And I haven't seen Star Wars. We are here getting out of this attraction called Vacation Fun, an original animated short with Minnie and Minnie. It's a short film about Mickey and Minnie vacations. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give it a like, comment, and share it on all your social networks. Remember, traveling with kids is not a tale. They're unforgettable memories.
Bye, baby.